Isaac here with Skyline, and today I'd like to tell you about a key piece of equipment in our carpet cleaning process that really separates us from a lot of the other carpet cleaning companies out there, and that is the RX20 here. The RX20 is a rotary carpet extractor, and it comes with two key advantages. One, better cleaning performance, and two, faster dry times. Now, how does that work? Well, let me show you on the bottom of the machine here. On the bottom of the machine, you can see we have 5 rotating extractor heads. So as you're doing the cleaning process, these heads are rotating at 650 RPMs, and that allows for better coverage of your carpet. At the same time, it's applying product from each of these heads, so you're gonna have more coverage of the product that we're using, and then better extraction to lead to better dry times. So this is an investment that we have made here at Skyline to make sure that we deliver the best cleaning results in your home or business. Give us a call and we'd love to take a look at your carpets.